Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. 2 weeks ago I did a poll for if y'all wanted me to do a my drugstore everyday makeup look, or if you wanted me to do a summer cheap summer clothing lookbook. Excuse my brothers in the background. A lot has happened in 2 weeks. I have moved to Florida from Alabama for school. Just so many things. Basically just transitioning my life from Birmingham, Alabama to Orlando, Florida. Okay, so it's been a lot, and that's the reason why I haven't posted in 2 weeks, you guys. So yeah, but I have no excuse now. We're gonna be coming at y'all with apartment tours, empty apartment tour, furnished apartment tour, MTV cribs in this thing. I'm gonna be doing a furnished room tour because I have some plans on how I want my room to look and everything, because I've never been able to like decorate my room like how I wanted to at the, you know, as a teenager. I've never been able to do that, so I'm excited. That means content for YouTube for y'all to see. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking y'all on this moving in journey with me. I did try to film a vlog, but it didn't really work out because it was just hella boring. So yeah, I am coming at you guys with this everyday drugstore makeup look that I promised you guys 2 weeks ago. My bad. I want to see how to get this everyday drugstore makeup look, then please keep on watching. Now we can get this thing started. Well, I already started with my eyebrows just to make this thing quicker, because eyebrows, let's be real, take the longest time, especially for me. I will leave my eyebrow tutorial, my updated one, in the description box for you guys to check out, or up above. It's summer, it's hot, okay, and we need to have our faces nice and prepped. So what I'm going to do is put on my primer first, and it is the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. The only thing about this primer is that you gotta make sure that it's really in the skin, because it's such a slicky, you know, silicone base that it just feels really slick, and I don't really like that when you're gonna put makeup on top of that. So let it sit into the skin first. Okay, I've been seeing a new trick is to put like a mattifying setting spray before you put on all, you know, your makeup and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be using the NYX Matte Finish setting spray. I would show you the bottle, but the bottle looks pretty retarded looking. So summer is all about glowing. We already know this. So like, I've been using this NYX illuminating liquid illuminator, and it's so bomb. I just put it on all the high points, basically everywhere where you highlight, you want to apply this product. I highlight everywhere, so so a lot of y'all know that I haven't been wearing foundation for months now, and it's just to free my skin up a little bit, especially now since that I moved to Florida. I found that foundation is just highly unnecessary in this hot behind weather. I mean, of course, when I want to go full glam, I will put on my foundation, best believe, but it is going to consist of just concealer on the face. So yeah, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I like to warm it up on the back of my hand. You can either take your finger or a sponge or whatever you like. It really doesn't matter. I just take my finger in the concealer and I just dab it underneath my eyes. Like, honestly, you guys, this makes such a big difference. This side right here looks more woken up, whereas this side looks like I just got up, you know. Don't act like you have to put on foundation every day, just, you know, for everyday makeup. Like, this is more realistic. But girl, if you want to go ahead and put your foundation on, put your foundation on. So now I just like to take the excess concealer and I just put it on like little areas that I want to cover up some more. So like, I have some dark spots. I have a lot of dark spots right here on the sides of my face. So I'll just put it in those areas. All right guys, so before we set everything under the eyes and everywhere, we're gonna make sure there's no creasing underneath the eyes before we set with the powder. You can use your finger or your sponge or whatever you want to use. Just make sure that there's no like creasing because you can't go back. For the setting powder today, I'm using Sacha Buttercup. I know this is $20, you know, but it is cheaper than Laura Mercier. But if I had the Airspun, the Coty Airspun powder, I would use that. But I didn't have a chance to go get it, you know, so yeah. So I'm just gonna use Sacha Buttercup. It's about $20, but hey. What I like to do is tap the powder on the sponge and then blow the excess off so that it's just not too much. And then pop it on my skin. I got that tip from Alyssa Ashley. We're gonna go back and add some more concealer to the lid area. So now we're gonna go ahead and set our eyelids with the powder. Now I'm gonna be taking my Real Techniques brush. This is also, you can also get this from Walmart, so it's pretty cheap as well. I love this brush. So we're gonna be using this brush to blend / dust off some of this excess powder so we don't look so cakey and ashy. Okay, so now we're gonna bring back some of the color into the face and also some coverage. And I'm gonna be using the Milani pressed powder in the shade Earth Glow. This is what it looks like. I'll be taking a regular powder brush. I'm just putting this powder all over the face in every area that we've applied the setting powder. I don't do much for my eyes. I just use the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro palette. This is the Ultimate Neutrals shadow palette. And I think the palette was like $15. But for all of these shades right here, for all of these pretty, you know, beautiful shades right here, I think $15 is really reasonable. I don't do anything crazy. I just take this shade right here that's kind of close to my skin color, this shade and this shade mixed together. And these shadows are pigmented too, so you don't need that much. Put that right on the crease of my eye, just to kind of deepen it a little bit. And then I take just a flat shader eyeshadow brush, and I will take the same powder that I put all over my face. I will put it on my eyelid. I just build up the color on the brush and I just pack it right on my lid. As you can tell, I really love neutral brown shades. And then just go back with the same brush that I used before and blend the colors in between the two. What I like to do is do like a blush kind of color. So I go back in here and into my eyeshadow palette, and yes, you can use blush. Yes, you can use eyeshadow for blush. It doesn't really matter. It's all powder, so it doesn't matter. I'm gonna be using this shade and this shade mixed together for like a peachy blush color, and just put it on the apples of the cheeks. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and apply highlighter to our faces. Now, highlighting is my favorite part. This is the Milani highlighter in the shade Glowing, and it's their Strobe-light powders. This is what it looks like. It's super pretty. Let me just do a swatch for you guys on the back of my hand or my arm or something. If you don't have Fenty, you can get this from like CVS or Walgreens, you know. Like, I'm not balling like that. Just be walking in Sephora and buying me some, you know, trophy wife. Not yet, but I shall be. And if you even want a cheaper alternative to that, you can try the Ruby Kisses highlighter. And this is they're all over gold bronzing powders, and this is in the shade Light Glow. I'm gonna swatch this for you guys too. So this is the shade Light Glow. It honestly kind of looks the same. This one is more gold. Today we're gonna go a little more golden, and we're gonna use the Milani Strobe-light. If y'all haven't seen my lip playlist video, check it out. I'll leave it tagged up above or in the description box. Y'all already check it out. Okay, what I did was, because I'm getting ready to put some lashes on, what I did was use my NewYork Jet Black liner, and I just did a tight line on my eye. This was just my friend Aireka's Boutique's lashes. I went to high school with her, and she has her own company. She sells glitter lip glosses and eyelashes, and I've just been really loving these lashes because they're super natural, wispy looking, and really cute. So I'm gonna be putting these on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the lashes are on, and let's be real, lashes honestly make everything and anything look better. So yeah, I'll be taking some, can't even tell what mascara this is anymore, girl. Maybelline Glam Black Mascara. I don't know what bottle this is because the entire paint cover came off, so it's the yellow bottle with the purple packaging, I guess. And we're just going to disguise the lashes, or my real lashes. I always take a brown lip liner all the time. This is about $1. And constantly grabbing this lip gloss, not just because it's my friend's, you know, I'm not promoting her stuff, like, you know, I am promoting it, but I'm not like saying, oh, this is the only thing I use, but I really have been reaching for this all the time. So yeah, it's her glitter lip gloss in the shade Medallion, and I love it. It's so bomb. Okay guys, so that's all that we do for the face, so therefore we're gonna go ahead and set it. I like to use the Valjean Labs. It's a glow vitamin C and magnesium facial mist. This is honestly for like skincare, but I like to use it because it also does say in the back that it can be used throughout the day over makeup, because it really does add like a really nice glow to break down all the powder and everything. Alright, thank you guys so much for reaching all the way to the end of the video. I appreciate you guys. You are a real one. So just to let you guys know, my next video is going to be a giveaway. There's going to be a giveaway for my video. I'm not even gonna hide that because I said I was gonna do a 15,000 subscriber giveaway, and we've already reached it. Like, we're almost at 16,000 subscribers, and I cannot thank you guys so much enough. Sir, I'm recording a video and you're in it now.
Gonna be in it.
Okay, well, my brother wants, you want to be in the video? Okay, great. Say your name.
Jake.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say how old you are.
How old you are?
No, what's your age?
5.
You know, he's about to turn 6 in like what?
June 20th.
Yeah, June 20th. So 2 days? That's 2 days. Smile for the people. Anyways, all right, you guys. So thank you guys. What was I gonna say at the end of my video?
I'll get the door.
Okay, go get it.
I'll be back.
No, don't do that.
Yes.
Alright, you guys, so thank you guys so much for watching my video all the way through. I love you guys so much. Like I said, there'll be a giveaway, so stay tuned for the next video because I'm doing a giveaway. Alright, love you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye. What?
Raymond's here.
Huh?
Raymond's here.
Who is that?
Raymond.
I don't know who it is. Anyways, okay. Alright. See you guys later. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, you guys.
Man, I said we gon' win. Knock me down 9 times, but I get up. of 10. Look myself in the mirror, I said we gon' win. Now me down 9.